How to change team name in Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your team's name in Fantasy Premier League. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Fantasy Premier League. You can open up the website or the app, it's completely alright. After you do that, you will then need to navigate to Pick Team option. So to head over there, you will need to first go to your fantasy section. On your fantasy section, you'll see this Pick Team section where you'll find your team's name and your username as well. Tap on your team name and username, and this page will open up. So after you're here, all you have to do is scroll down all the way till you find the admin section where you'll find team details. Tap on team details, and there you'll find your team name. All you have to do is tap on it and change it to whatever you want. So I'll just change it to something like this, and then tap on done, and then tap on update details. And there we go. I've just updated my team's name. And it's that simple, guys, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.